Hi class, if you have never made a copy of something in Google Slides, I'm going to show you how to do that in case you need some further assistance. So I'm going to minimize myself into the corner now. Now this is the math mystery that you're working on for the first day of school since our math placement test is not ready yet. And this math mystery is going to be a review of skills that you've done in fourth grade, specifically division. So I have it open. It says Math Mystery Divided Dragons, but this is the same document that all the students are going to get. So if you start typing in your answers, somebody else might be typing over your answers as well. So you need to make a copy of this. The way that you make a copy is that you go to the area that says File near the top. And as you come down that list, there's going to be the words Make a Copy. You want to make a copy of the entire presentation. Once it comes up, it will highlight the title of it, and at the front it will just say Copy of Math Mystery Divided Dragons. You are actually going to erase the part that says Copy of, and you are going to write your name. Now you're not going to write student name, you're going to write your first and last name before the math mystery, and then you're going to hit OK. Now you're going to have your own personal copy for you to work inside of, and you can put your answers in, and this is going to be the one that you're going to submit to me. So now I've explained to you how to make a copy of one of our Google Slides activities.